The Allure of the Seas Pool and Sports Zone covers all of Deck 14 and most of Deck 15. It offers great views down onto Central Park. As expected, the primary focus for this deck is outdoor relaxation in one of the pools or on one of the lounges. The Royal Caribbean Allure of the Seas has 4 pools on Deck 15: the main pool with hundreds of lounge chairs, the beach pool with a gently sloping entry facilitating easy entry, H2O Zone, which is a kids' splash area and wading pool, and the sports pool, which is used for lap swimming in the morning and water team sports in the afternoon. Pool Deck 15 also has 10 whirlpools. Those who want to do more than just relax by the pool can try out one of the 2 large FlowRider surf simulators, the zip line across Central Park, miniature golf, or basketball, volleyball, or soccer on the sports court. Adults love the gorgeous solarium, which has numerous small seating areas. In addition to its 2 whirlpools, the adults-only solarium has a small pool and 4 cantilevered infinity whirlpools suspended 136 feet over the ocean. Although much of the focus on the pool decks is a fun activity, the area has 2 retail shops, 4 restaurants, and 6 casual bars. The Samba Grill is a new Brazilian steakhouse restaurant open in the evening with a large salad bar and delicious, never-ending slabs of meat and fish. In the daytime, the Samba Grill serves as the Solarium Bistro and offers health-conscious breakfast and lunch. Other restaurants include the casual Wipeout Cafe, the Windjammer Buffet, and the a la carte Izumi Asian Cuisine and Sushi Bar. Let's move back indoors to walk down the Royal Promenade.